If you're wanting to know exactly how to make money while using the Rumbl app, then you're in the right place. Keep watching. Alright, so Rumbl is a new app that's basically kind of like how Vine was, where you could take small snippets, at least 10-second videos. But the difference is that, it's a brand new app, so it's developing. But right now, it's at the point where not only can you broadcast, and then you're on a basically big stream that is ranked where you can scroll through and watch other people's videos, but also there are certain topics and tips of the day, kind of like I'm showing above now, where they might have it where it's like, hey, this is our subject line. How do you feel about this trivia question? Or how did you feel about this news thing? Or how did you feel about in this episode when this happened? How do you like French fries? Do you prefer French fries? Or, just a bunch of random different things. But it's causing users to interact and have funny and awesome different videos. So as people are building a following on this app, and as this app is growing, one thing that many people miss and many people fail to capitalize on is if you're building that following, you can begin to monetize that following. And I'm going to show you exactly how I would recommend you do it. So number one, you want to stay in your niche. Once you start uploading videos, once you start, responding, what your kind of message may be, whether that's gaming, whether you're just kind of living your life, whether it's a comedy, whether it's business, movie related, TV show related, whatever it is, stick to your niche, stick to it and start cultivating that audience. And as you start building followers, you will find more people in that niche that are, level and relate to what you're saying. Number two, so just like I showed and I mentioned in the beginning, there are certain, things in rumbles of the day where it shows different phrases or different taglines or different questions you can answer. Answer those. The more you answer those and the quicker you answer them from when they are posted, the more likely you're going to rank and be on that main page. And that will, they're going to automatically post those over the just random videos that you create. So this will help the people that aren't following you discover you, and you can kind of get them with your charm or get them with your message or whatever. One little hack that I've been doing recently is you start to answer the question that's on there and then you twist it and you resort it back to whatever message you want to convey. Whether it be your business or a passive income builder, or check this video game out, check this YouTube video I did, check out my Instagram, check out this funny tip of the day that I'm doing. Something to pull them in to either stay with you or, may pull into like, hey, check out my other videos, give me a follow on this. Just another thing, another way to be creative to continue to gain cultivation with them and engagement with your followers. And again, this app is very young, so the quicker that you begin to do this and adapt with it, the better results you're going to have in the long term on if this social platform becomes big, which I think it will be. My third thing is for you to get an offer or a product to promote. So there should be a video around me somewhere of where I go into the top perks of being a freelancer or a digital freelancer or a freelance marketer. But essentially, I can teach you how to get a product that you use, like, believe in, anything, and promote it to your people and to your followers. And if they purchase that product using your link, you will earn a commission. And you can begin to use this to your, leveraging as you're building that following. You can choose a product literally that is already created that you don't have to have any inventory on at all, that you already use, or stuff that you may show in your video. Let's say you have a gaming channel. You may, shoot out a link for this controller you're, looking at, or this game you're looking at, or this monitor you're using, etc. If you're a business owner, you can use it with your product, or to check out your link, or to follow you on YouTube or follow you on Instagram. This is just a way for you to begin to get purchases and get commissions. And this is a way that you can actually begin to automatically every day, just through your videos, begin cultivating an audience and then bringing them to the page where they can buy, and they're going to purchase because they trust you. You've built that trust, you've built that engagement, and they trust that you're using the best controller. They trust that you're a vlogger, and they like that camera that you're suggesting to them. They like if you're a marketer and you have this book that's going to teach you some of the things that you've been teaching already on your channel. These are all different various ways that you can begin to make commissions. So I'm going to throw a link in the bio or in the description. On that link, I will give you a video training of exactly how I do it and how I make money on all many social platforms using just that method. All right, so that was the video. If you like this content, if you think that's going to help you and you're going to begin implementing it, go ahead and give this video a like or comment if you have any questions so I can get back to you. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date with more social media updates and how you can leverage them and leverage platforms to make money online and to build your business and your brand. See you guys.